Welcome to Azelinguistics. This channel is about all things linguistic, discussing topics in phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and sociolinguistics. So let's see what we've got today. What is a syllable? A syllable is a unit of phonological organization of a sequence of speech sounds, with its central component being the nucleus, which is normally a vowel. It means sometimes it's not a vowel, and I will get to it. What can it be if it's not a vowel? The nucleus may be preceded or followed by one or more consonants. In other words, to have a syllable, it is necessary to have a nucleus, but to have anything before or after the nucleus is optional. Optional in the sense that some syllables have, some syllables don't. So, in other words, to have a syllable, it is necessary to have a nucleus, while the nucleus may or may not be accompanied by an onset or coda. Before I get to that, I'll give you some more information about the importance of syllables. Syllables are very important because they are the building blocks of words and shape the rhythm of a language, its prosody, poetic meter, and stress pattern. That's one important thing. So now I'm going to give you examples. So if you look at the word I, like I am, you are, like I, that's one syllable because it has one vowel. It's a diphthong. So it just consists of a vowel. So this is a syllable structure. It's just a vowel, right? If you look at the word for at, it consists of a vowel and a consonant, right? If you look at the word see, it consists of consonant and a vowel. Now, if you look at the word ship, this is a consonant, this is a vowel, this is a consonant. So it's CVC. This is a structure of... But anyways, syllable structure in some languages is simple. In some languages it can be more complex. So the basic syllable structure is CV. So this is what you would expect to see in any language. A consonant followed by a vowel. But in English, you could have CCV, like you could do bro. So when I put this symbol, secondary symbol underneath it, it shows that it's non-syllabic. You could have VCC, like ask. You could have CCVC, truck, CCVCC, blocks. So basically the number of possibilities increase as the syllable structure becomes more complex. But these are the possible ones in English. But then you could have spree, for example. The maximum possible in English, strengths. But I can give you the word prompts. This is actually pronounced like this, strengths. So although technically it should be this one, it should be this, strengths, but there is an epenthesis of k here, strengths, but it is often pronounced strengths. So, and it's very rare, like honestly, this is very rare. Okay, so I have to move on from this because there's more about syllables that I want to tell you. One interesting fact about syllables. There have been and still are writing systems that are syllable based. That is, they are syllabic writing. So rather than phoneme based. The basic syllable structure is CV. That is a consonant followed by a vowel, such as ba, which is the kind of syllable produced by children in the babbling stage. And that's a basic syllable structure they produce. So it has cognitive value, like developmental value. So I introduced the concept of syllable, but now I have to introduce the concept of syllable structure. What is a syllable structure? A syllable is often subdivided into the onset, any consonants preceding the nucleus, and the rhyme, also spelled as rhyme, which is the nucleus, together with the consonant or consonants following the nucleus. The consonant, this consonant or these consonants are referred to as the coda. So for example, in the word dog, this is the onset, this is the nucleus, this is the coda, and this is the rhyme. So the symbol for onset is this. The symbol for rhyme is this. And then for nucleus, this is a symbol. And for coda, that's for that. So a syllable consists of an onset and a rhyme. So the rhyme consists of the nucleus and the coda. Why do you talk about syllable here? Because I want to go back to the dark L. The dark L, la is velarized whenever it appears in the rhyme, and now I want to go and bring some examples of this. You see, in all these cases, so in all of these, let's look at the syllable structure. This is the onset, this is the nucleus, this is the coda. When you say rhyme, it could be in the nucleus or it could be in the coda, right? In here, it's always in the coda, because here in the coda you have two consonants. In milk, here in pull, you have one consonant. Bull, ball, and full. But let me give you another example, like even beautiful. Here it becomes more interesting. Look, beautiful. Okay, here, beau is one syllable, t is one syllable, and full is one syllable. Look, but this is the onset, but la is both the nucleus and the coda. Like basically it's the nucleus because it's a syllabic consonant. So if you say beautiful, then it would be easy because a is the nucleus, la is the coda, and you can say, okay, it is in the coda and it is darkened. But if you have full, a la itself is the nucleus and the coda. So there is no vowel, there is a syllabic consonant. So in that case, it becomes a nucleus. It's still part of the rhyme, and it is darkened. So similar examples are little. Little, this is a tapped t, little. Again, this is the rhyme. So you don't need to worry about the nucleus. You don't need to worry whether it's the nucleus or the coda. All you have to worry about is it in the rhyme or not? So even in the word little, it is the dark L. Thanks for your time and attention, and see you again soon.